What is up, guys? Sophie here, back with a hair tutorial that I haven't done in like forever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to know how I got this hair, then stay tuned for the video. Dedication, preservation, take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work, it takes patience, like a butterfly, transformation. So I put my hair in 8 big behind parts. I didn't need to show y'all that on camera because it's not that hard to part your hair. Part it in whatever way that you like. Since I didn't feel like pulling my edges back, I probably left a lot more of my edges in the front and in the back out so it didn't pull and like rip them out. I'm using Ombre hair, 1 pack per braid. I'm gonna leave the products in the description box, and I'm putting Eco Styler on my hair first. I'm gonna leave that in the description box as well, and then it's gonna be followed by some black castor oil, braid lock, and twist gel. And this is just because I'm natural and I don't want like my naturalness popping out of the braids and it looking all funky. So the hair is blunt obviously at the end, so you just want to make sure that you pull it a bit. I know I'm doing this kind of jacked, but you get the picture, so that when you braid it, like it braids and doesn't come loose. And then you take 1/3 and hook it just like I'm doing in the video, and then you're gonna put it on top of your ponytail. And I use regular rubber bands for this since the parts were so big, and it's fine. But make sure that you use the braid to cover over that rubber band part, and then you're gonna put your actual hair in one section of the braid as you braid, if that makes sense. I know that sounds kind of complicated, probably more complicated than I'm explaining it, but it's really easy. I promise you it's not that hard. I'm just making it sound difficult. So I'm braiding the hair all the way to the end because I plan on just dipping them in hot water later. And so for now, I'm just going to kind of leave it as is. And then I didn't want to bore y'all with showing everything on camera. So basically you finish up like I explained during the first braid. You basically do that to every single braid. And then this is just me finishing off the last braid in. Okay, so that's about it. I dipped the hair in some hot water. This actually took a lot longer than I thought, maybe because I was just moving so slow. I was just in my own little world. It probably took a few hours. And so, yeah, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will be sure to catch you guys another day, another time. Bye-bye, y'all. Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.